I want to hear your best before you can judge a baby coughing. You must baby cough too.
Okay.
Backstage round of applause, please. Wonderful.
Was that?
Everyone loved that. It truly was so wonderful. I think we're ready now to judge babies.
Well, what about yours?
Oh, Goo gaga.
Oh no. I think that was good. That made me sad. That tugged on my heartstrings a little bit. Bring in the babies.
Koseki Bijou.
Oh man, she was giving baby the pacifier
really
and
was.
everything.
The pacifier spitting out and then putting it back in. That was very good.
Oh my god, her goo goo gaga, her baby similarity. I will have to give. This is my first 10 for baby similarity.
She was essentially a baby. It's
She
true.
was baby, but sound frequency. She was coughing a little too much. It's like child coughing plague.
Like, I'm gonna have to agree with you. I was getting Biboo cough. And she is a baby, but I wanted to hear sort of a different baby. I wanted to see some of her, her range.
Ah, yes. Because she is so naturally baby. I want to see her try and act as a different baby.
As a different baby.
But what about how would you rate her sound frequency?
For me, I think that's where I'm gonna have to dock points for the sound frequency. I think the coughs were just not quite the baby I was looking for, but the goo goo gaga and the baby similarity were both very high.
Yes. She's like the perfect model baby. If I want to hire someone, I need to hire some fake people that look like a family. She's the perfect baby to wear model clothes. Yes.
That's right.
Okay. What a beautiful, terrific. She's almost a 9 for you. And then it was almost a 9 too.
They were the two favorites coming in.